Objective of this video is to specify GPIO and its essential characteristics. GPIO is a powerful feature of Raspberry Pi. It contains 40 pins GPIO header on all current Raspberry Pi boards. These pins can be designated as input or output pin. They are used for a wide range of purposes where you can connect various external devices which can be treated as input as well as output. You can use GPIO in order to build intuitive IoT applications. Now, some of the essential characteristics of GPIO are: it's versatile, it can be modified using software, you can turn on and turn off input pins in order to have better control over devices which are connected on that pin. It provides limited output slew rate, and it is capable of controlling source and sink, and it can drive capabilities of control source and sink programmatically. GPIO does not limit the current into or out of the pin. It specifies the maximum current. Now, in order to interact with GPIO programmatically, you have GPIO Utility, which is provided by Raspbian operating systems. We can use this utility in order to write scripts that helps us to manipulate GPIO pins the way we want. We can write entire program using GPIO fundamental commands, and we can place those commands in a shell script and execute those shell scripts in programmatic way in order to get capabilities. GPIO Utility is installed as a setuid program in Raspbian boards. You can also export pins to enable edge-triggered and interrupts which can be utilized by applications. Using GPIO Utility, you can load SPI and I2C modules and set permissions to enable read and write on the dev nodes. GPIO Utility also comes with a program called I2C Detect that provides appropriate flags for Raspberry Pi board revision. Now let's see some of the GPIO commands. First command is setting the mode. We can set the mode of a pin to be input, output, PWM or clock by writing a command called GPIO, specify the mode, then specify the pin, specify what mode you want that pin to be in, whether you want that pin to be in, out, PWM, clock, up, down or try. Other command is GPIO write. This helps you to set an output pin to either high or low. In order to write this command, you have to